reminds me of that one time in high school trying to help out one of my close friends. There was an essay or something and she was like, oh my god, can I check out yours so that I can do it faster during recess? And I was like, oh sure, go ahead, but just be careful and, you know, rephrase things and change it up. Long story short, she got us both into troubles. FIBREPLEX really forgot to rephrase things a little bit more. Oh, la gente. What is up, my badass angels? Welcome to yet another hair care video, this time on a Thursday. As you guys know, on Tuesdays we have Treatment Tuesdays where we test out new hair care for the very first time on camera, and then we decide together what works and what doesn't. And sometimes we also play around with hair care on Thursdays as well when we don't do some makeup videos. So as we all know, Olaplex is super break the bank, expensive, but oh so magnificent. And today's video is actually a comparison review. We are going to put side by side Olaplex number 2 versus FIBREPLEX number 2. If we actually confirm that these two are dupes, potentially we could be saving some money. So I actually tested out FIBREPLEX 1 and 2 on a video that I'm going to be linking right here in the eye in the corner. But keep in mind that I was so like with a bad energy, at least for the first couple of minutes of that video, and the truth is my wallet had been stolen that week. I promised you guys that I was going to do this side by side to really be able to determine if this is actually a dupe. Olaplex is a patented, so kind of secret formulation for now, and it will be for a while. And FIBREPLEX could potentially be in trouble for trying to dupe Olaplex. I don't know if you guys remember that little legal feud between Olaplex and L'Oreal for Smart Bond, which was also infringing. So I realized that Olaplex has really kind of revolutionized the hair care industry, and it makes sense that a lot of other players want to come out with similar products, even though this one is kind of a secret formula, which, you know, it shouldn't be copied. You know, the beauty industry can get pretty ugly. I'm going to show you a close-up of these two products side by side, just the packaging. I mean, it is so scary, you guys, how similar the branding is between FIBREPLEX by Schwarzkopf and Olaplex. This is the tiny bottle of FIBREPLEX number 2 in the travel kit, and this is the Olaplex number 2 in the travel kit. They have both 100 ml or 3.3 fluid ounces of product, so the presentation is exactly the same. The travel kit comes with 1 1 and 2 2s, and yeah, same. So the product is white, the packaging is white, the label is white, and the print, the font is black. FIBREPLEX, Olaplex. Need I say more? It's like Schwarzkopf is winking right at us and saying, you like Olaplex? Wanna check out this one for a couple less bucks? But really, who approved something so similar to be launched? Alright, so I'm ready to start with the application. I'm going to be applying Olaplex on the right side, Olaplex number 2. This is the Bond Perfector, and FIBREPLEX number 2 Bond Sealer on the left side. So I'm going to section my hair using these Sephora crocodile style clips. I think they're called like hold it on, hold it in, but I rebaptized them. This really allows me to work section by section when applying. The fragrance is completely different. I cannot quite pinpoint, and even though both are creamy, FIBREPLEX has more of an airy texture. It's like it's been more unevenly whipped. Let's begin with FIBREPLEX. Feel my heart grow, night is playing like an art show. Come with me and see my bedroom wild and easy. Let me bloom. Before we move on to the Olaplex number 2 application, I wanted to ask you guys to please support my unsponsored content for free by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's move on. I just lost like $10 with that drop. You know what? I'm gonna use it. Please please don't forget to check out my new merch. I am so proud of my new merch. I currently have 2 collections. One is called, of course, Badass Angels, and the second collection is called Ciao Bella, Hi Beautiful in Italian. You guys know that I am legally both Argentinian and Italian. Badass Angels is the way I refer to us all as a community, inspired in my absolute favorite quote: if you've been brutally broken but you still have the courage to treat other living beings with kindness, then you are a badass with the heart of an angel. It's stuck in my mind and it means so much to me. So yeah, that's the story behind Badass Angels. I just can't wait for my samples, you guys, to show you to actually wear them on my videos, but it's kind of complicated with all the customs delays and all those things. Now back to this video. I really wanted to mention that of course I shampooed my hair before I turned on the camera today, like I always do on all my treatment Tuesdays. I really did not want to use my Olaplex No. 4 shampoo, and I just wanted to go with something very ordinary, but certainly not a bad shampoo at all. This is the Pantene Micellar Water shampoo. It has no silicones and no salt, but yeah, just trying to be fair for the purpose of today's video. All right, so I'm just gonna leave these 2 babies on for 30 minutes, but worry not, with the magic of editing, that is all going to happen really fast. And by the time those 30 minutes go by, I'm going to go and jump into the shower, rinse these 2 babies off thoroughly, and then I'm going to condition, because if you didn't know, Olaplex No. 2 or FIBREPLEX No. 2 for that matter, they are not conditioners. They're just looking to restore your hair's health and build back all those broken bonds. Unbreak my bonds. Sorry for that Toni Braxton moment, but anyways, enough chit chat. I'm gonna be back when I'm ready to style my hair. I just rinsed very thoroughly and conditioned my hair using this Zen Control conditioner by the brand Asia. I always replace conditioner with a hair mask, one of those that I really love that are very, very transformative. I didn't want to do anything that would interfere with our little experiment. And now, yes, let us blow dry so that we can see the final review. Alright, here we have it, guys, the final result. Olaplex on the right side and FIBREPLEX on the left side. Someone was really naughty. But you guys know the drill. Before I say another word, please go ahead and take the poll. I'm going to be linking it in the eye right here, and let me know, what do you think? From where you are right now, from what you're seeing, left and right, who won? Do you think we have a dupe here, or do we not? Well, I'm gonna tell you what I think. They tried very, very hard. They didn't succeed. Olaplex side, in my opinion, is a lot stronger. It has a lot more freeze control, and it just feels restored. It's like this side feels a lot less damaged. They got to a certain percentage of the formula right, but they did not get there 100%. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, that's kind of my final verdict. It is certainly an Olaplex wannabe. It screams that from packaging to everything, and they did certainly do something for my hair, I'm not gonna lie. It is a wrap, my friends. I'm gonna go even things out and put Olaplex No. 2 now on the left side. No, I'm just kidding. And that is a wrap, my friends. I hope this video helped you in some way, or at least that it entertained you and that you enjoyed hanging out with me. If you did, please be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so that you receive all future notifications for those new videos that are coming up. Thank you so much for just being here with me. To stay brave, living is believing. You are a badass with the heart of an angel. And I will talk to you all again on my next one. Ciao.
Do you wanna follow? Baby,
do you wanna follow? Click here.